Hey fam, welcome back to this week's bedroom deep cleaning motivation. We will be tackling my room and also Mason's room. Before we get more into this cleaning motivation video, I do want to say that today's video is sponsored by Luisa. They are a retailer that sells high-end classic looking jewelry and pieces, from bracelets, necklaces, rings, anything you could think of. They have it on their website, something for everyone. So definitely check out my description box below. I do have a code where you guys can receive 30% off for your pieces, and when they ship the items out, they come in these cute little black pouches which you can keep as like a keepsake. And basically when you're finished wearing your jewelry, you can go ahead and store the pieces in there. One great thing about them as well is that their jewelry is hypoallergenic, which I can't wear any type of jewelry. Certain things I can wear because I will break out. So that's definitely a great thing to know. And then also they're cruelty free. They have a 2-year warranty on their products, so they definitely back their products, which is a great thing. And then they're affordable, so you want to make sure anything that you're investing your money into, they back it, and they do back their items. And as you guys can see, these are some very beautiful pieces, so definitely go out and check them out. I think anybody will be able to find something that works best for them. Also, they ship anywhere in the world. In the US, it is free, but definitely depending on where you are, it'll be affordable just getting the item shipped to you as well. So a big shout out again to Luisa for sponsoring today's video, and I look forward to sharing more items from them with you guys. So now to start off in my room, I'm going to go ahead and get my fan cleaned. I had already changed my linens on my bed, so I just took an old sheet and put it over the bed in case any dust or anything like that fell on the bed so it could catch it that way. I did want to get this done because I wouldn't be able to do it any other time. So we're going to go ahead and get this place dusted and taken care of and just get a lot of cleaning done, and me touching some places that I won't be able to touch in a while or that I haven't touched in a while, just to make the room and the space a little bit more fresher. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. Definitely subscribe if you're new, and let's get into it.
I once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, that I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better, riding high on your river. You and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
So the room is clean, guys. I did as much as I could. The carpet needs to clean, but I can't do that today. Jay's going to do that when he has time. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of how the room is looking, get a glimpse of everything. I did as much as I could. I'm not feeling too great, so I'll show you guys how everything looks.
Fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better.
So now that we finished with my room, I'm going to head into Mason's room. I'm going to do just a little bit of tidying over there. Nothing crazy, just like my weekly cleaning and getting some stuff done. His carpet I definitely am going to clean because it needs to get done. The puppy went in there. I had a couple accidents too, so I just want to get it nice and fresh. But like I said, that's it from my room. Not feeling too hot today, but I wanted to get these things done because, you know, clock is winding down and I want to go into everything with a clean house and not worrying about anything. I just added a couple of my little throw pillows that I already had from before onto the bed. I think I got those from Marshall's, or it could have been, yeah, I think it was Marshall's. I did a thing years ago. I have a little haul. I got them with those flowers, those peonies I have on the dresser as well. So yeah, it was Marshall's. I think I picked those up from. But yeah, I hope you guys like this cleaning motivation for here in my room. I also did take a rag and wipe down my bed. I saw a little white stuff spilt on the side there. Probably could have been some food or something one of the kids had, so I just wiped it off, but I did not show that. I got as much dusting and cleaning that I could get done, and here feels very fresh. It smells great, so like I said, I'm gonna head into Mason's room and get some stuff done over there. So here is Mason's room. It's not crazy, like I said. I just need to do some light dusting, make his bed. We had a sleepover up front, so we weren't in here. Make his bed. This is the book that we're actually reading. I told you guys before, I get books for him from the Scholastic. I'll have a link down below if you guys are interested in for your kids. But this is one of the books that we started reading. We're going to finish this off tonight, and then we'll start another one. I am starting to try to read to him again every night. you know, in between working and things like that, just making that time to read with him because he needs the help. And, you know, yeah. But like I said, I'm going to get these things cleaned up. We're going to get this stuff tidied real quick, and then I'm going to get the carpet cleaner, and we are going to clean this carpet really quick. You guys can see there's a few little marks there. I know you can see that. And then, it's like I said, this carpet is not bad. This carpet is probably the cleanest carpet in the house. And then right here, like little traffic because people started coming in his room more. But that's basically it. And just wipe down the desk area here.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste. Is there really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you?
So this area here is going to give me, I'm cramping really bad right now, y'all. That's just to be honest. And I need to go sit my butt down. So I'm going to do this off camera. So we're going to give you a really quick, some YouTube magic. And then I'll come back and show me vacuuming the room. So here is the after. I dusted down everything, wiped off, took out a couple books that were in there. I do want to go through these papers. I'm going to get a little bin for some keepsake stuff so I can put some of those things in there. I think I will hurry up and end up getting the little shelf, acrylic shelves or whatever to put his books on, so I can save that for other clothes or anything else that's shelf there. But I'm going to go ahead now and get the carpet vacuumed up. I got these things off the ground and put them in that basket till I'm finished. I'm going to just vacuum around this area here. I'll probably put that bike outside, and then I will do the carpet cleaning. And I did take out the little tool because I will be tightening up his bed, because you guys can see it is loose. I've been meaning to do it for a while, so I'm going to go ahead and take care of that as well.
Closer to me, I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is there really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
So guys, this is Mason's room. My first time walking on, it's basically dry. A few hours later, I didn't soak up the carpet or anything like that. You guys can see that it looks really clean. Has clean lines. Everything turned out really good. It's still a little dark right there. That's something else. I'm not sure what that's from, but the little stain I wanted to get up. You hear the kids in the background. It's gone. And the room is clean and ready. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys really quick. And it smells really good. That carpet cleaner that has like a scented one, I had tried it out for the first time a while ago, and I had some left, so that's why I used that. But you get a little bit bang for your buck because you don't have to use a lot of it. You guys don't forget, I'll have the information for Anna Luisa linked in the description box below. Make sure you guys head over and check them out. And I wanted to just show you guys what dinner looked like. I made some brown stew chicken with some rice and peas. It was so good. You guys have a good one.